Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check the description of a video on YouTube. Let's get started. On a mobile device, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Find and tap on the thumbnail of the video you want to watch. Look for the More option, represented by 3 dots, just below the video. Tap on it and then again tap on the More button to view the video's description. On a laptop or desktop, open the YouTube website on your laptop or desktop. Click on the thumbnail of the video you want to play. Scroll down and click on the More option, represented by 3 dots, just below the video to view the description. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.